Jamaican scissors.
Okay. First step to kick Jamaican scissors is to go to Jamaica, buy some scissors. Let's go to Jamaica, back from Jamaica. And I'm going to kick scissors. 1, 2.
It's kind of sharp, don't you think? Oh. What are you doing?
I'm kiting Jolly Santas.
I thought there was only one Santa, but apparently there's more than one. So you can all kind of this one kite, so you're kind of heavy. What I have to do, okay? Let's get running and... Okay. Yeah, we just need more wind, okay. 500 pounds on a kite. Good idea.
Edward?
Yes.
What are you doing?
I am cackling at Justin Timberlake.